Hello Stardust, Radical Raspberry here with another meditation video. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already, and let me see that you enjoyed this video by giving it a big thumbs up. In my last TM meditation video, I had somebody ask me, how do I know which mantra to use? Which one is going to reach the vibration that I want to be on? In today's video, I'm going to go over what mantras are, how they work, and how do you know which one to use. What is it about certain mantras that have different effects, or can you just literally chant anything? Anything, anything, anything. If you just try right now saying dog and saying Om, you can feel which one has a stronger vibration. If you pay attention, you can see when you say Om, you feel more of a vibration versus just saying dog. You don't feel the same vibration. But let's go beyond just feeling it. Let's figure out the science behind it and what is a mantra to begin with. Switch scene. Mantras are like tools for your mind. In Sanskrit, man means mind and tra means tool, vehicle, or instrument. So mantra literally means a tool for your mind, a vehicle for your mind, an instrument for your mind. Just like a minor key sounds ominous and a major key sounds uplifting, different mantras have different effects. We can picture on a basic level that mantras are just sounds, and sounds are vibration. As we have seen through the water experiment, sound creates form. You can tell by this picture that saying something, creating sound, changes the molecular structure of something. This is why chanting mantras will reduce stress, and it is said to cause the left and right hemispheres of your brain to synchronize. Who wouldn't want both sides of our brain to get along? It is evident language and speech have power. Sounds have the power to change our moods. Let me just pull my handy dandy whiteboard here. When we hear a sound, we have some sort of reaction, whether it's good or bad, negative or positive. We react some way. When you hear your favorite song, you get really excited and you start dancing. When someone's getting mad at you and they're saying hate speech, it can inspire more hate speech. The other examples I have here, when you hear someone scream, you get tense, you get fearsome. When you hear the purr of a cat, it relaxes you and you soothes you. When we hear a sound, it impacts us some way. And when we feel this mood, it impacts our molecular level. Therefore, it's reasonable to say that a mantra has an impact on our health. Can you think of any more examples of sounds that impact our moods? Let me know down below. So if mantras have the power to change us at a molecular level for the better and promote healing and increase our vibrations, why are we not utilizing them? Well, now you have no excuse to. You're one of the lucky ones who stumbled on this video, and perhaps subscribe to my channel for more meditation videos and thumbs it up because you enjoyed it, and comment down below any questions that you have so that I can answer all of your wonders and curiosities. Yes, now you have the knowledge. Go out there, start saying mantras. Hey, what mantras do you want to use? Let's talk about it. Here, come on, come with me. Let's do it, my friend. Since each mantra activates a particular kind of energy in different parts of your body, it is difficult for me to diagnose you with some sort of mantra, and that is what the TM Transcendental Meditation School is for. That's what you pay for it. It's personalized to you to see, okay, where are their blockages, what mantra is going to help the energy flow. But what I can do, and what I'm going to do in the near future, is create a 7-day chakra challenge where I go through each one, I give you a mantra for that area, and then I give you a brief meditation as well. So definitely stay tuned for that by subscribing to this channel and turning on the notification bell to be alarmed when it happens, because I want to help you heal yourself. Now, what is important about mantras is that you say them, you pronounce them correctly, because you want to permit this certain vibration, and by saying them correctly, you're hitting certain parts of the roof of your mouth that are actually connected to your pituitary gland. It's connected to your brain. It just makes it better. You just have to focus on saying it right. That is way more important than the meaning. The sound is more important than the meaning, okay? A mantra that is good for everyday use is Om Mani Padme Hum, Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum. I use this quite regularly. I use it even when I'm just doing little tasks around the house. It's something that I have chanted for a couple years now, and I learned how to pronounce it by listening to recordings here on YouTube of Tibetan monks, Buddhist monks, people chanting it. I highly recommend for you to do the same. I will link some recordings down below as well as all the articles that I got information from in this video. Use YouTube. Use the recordings here. Learn how to pronounce them and then bring them into your life and your meditation practice. Here are some simple mantras to bring into your everyday life to help restore your energy flow. So the first one we have is GUM, which you really elongate the AA, so it's spelled like this, but it's pronounced like this, G-A-A-M. So there we got one, GUM. That's when you would focus on something particular in your life that you want to be removed, some sort of situation. So, you know, let's say you can't figure out what you want to do with your life, then maybe you would chant this on your beads or something like that. The second one we have, I use on an everyday basis. I use it to close my meditations, and I do it if I'm about to enter a situation where I feel like there is some conflict. That one is spelt like this and pronounced Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. If you did my meditation for inner peace, you will know that I used this one because Shanti means peace, and it helps restore peace and balance into your life. The next one is a newer one that I only heard of a couple days ago, but I definitely want to meditate on because I feel like this is a block in my life at times, and it is Dum, Dum. And this one helps to restore joy and contentment in your life. I feel like so many adults should use this one because I feel like as you grow older, there's just this joy that kind of gets sucked out of you when you feel like, I have to be an adult, I have to be responsible, I'm not allowed to have fun anymore. These all have purposes, but a meditation mantra does not have any specific purpose or meaning whatsoever. A meditation mantra is used as a vehicle to silence your mind. And so these are three that you're not necessarily going to be meditating on. When I say the Shanti one, I only really do it on the end. I just do it a couple times. I don't meditate while doing them. So a good general mantra for meditation here, which I use quite frequently, is so, hum, so, hum. When you inhale, you say so, and when you exhale, you say hum. So you go so, but you say it in your mind. So when you inhale, exhale. I hope you learned something about this fascinating sound healing science. There is so much more to it. Let me know down below, out of these mantras, which one is your favorite. I would love to know, and let me see that you enjoyed this video by giving it a big thumbs up and subscribing for more. I'm gonna have a 7-day chakra challenge out soon, so be sure to turn on that notification bell. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for being here with me and watching, and as always, don't forget to think beyond and Om.